Hello, I'm Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Nincada. So in your craft packet, you will have a puzzle with Nincada drawn on. So all you have to do for your craft this week is color your Nincada in and design a background, any background that you want. So for example, I've colored mine in and then I just put little grass all around him with little tufts of grass sticking up and then sky. So you can make it as simple or as complicated as you would like, and you get to design your own Nincada puzzle. And that is our craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye.